welcome back to my channel. My name is Dan, and for those of you who haven't been on this channel before, welcome. There's plenty of content for you to look at, and I hope you enjoy what you see. Today is a very special reaction day. I always do this whenever I feel the need to do it, to send a message out, or just to enjoy listening to an artist who has meant a lot to me personally. Today I was walking home from visiting a nearby shopping centre, and I had Chris Cornell playing, and this song came on, and every time I hear this song it makes me stop. It makes me focus on this song, and it makes me go, wow, what a loss, what an artist, what a voice, what talent in this band. And basically this is a band which is known as a supergroup, and I'm just going to get the information for them so that I've got it all correct. They're known as a supergroup, and they are called, I'm just going to type it out, sorry about this. It's loading, and they are called Temple of the Dog. You probably have heard of them, but you know, this is the band. And it says Temple of the Dog was an American rock supergroup that formed in Seattle, Washington in 1990. It was conceived by vocalist Chris Cornell of Soundgarden as a tribute to his friend, the late Andrew Wood, the lead singer of the bands Malfunction and Mother Love Bone. The members are Chris Cornell, Eddie Vedder, Jeff Ament, Nick McCready, Matt Cameron, and Stone Gosford. And I'm pretty sure Eddie Vedder was from Pearl Jam. I'm just on Wikipedia, so I'm having a look now. Actually, is it? Sorry, I'm talking to myself. This is really unprofessional of me. So it looks like most of the members from Pearl Jam and Soundgarden all came together. If you have any information about Temple of the Dog, please let me know, because I've listened to their album just once and I was amazed by it. It is absolutely amazing. And if you would like me to do a series listening to that album, I'll definitely do it. You know, just let me know, write it in the comments down below. And I haven't even pressed play on the video yet. I will be doing so now. So yeah, this song is called Say Hello to Heaven, and it is one of those songs where it stops me in my tracks and it makes me listen. So this is Chris Cornell live, Temple of the Dogs, Say Hello to Heaven, and play. Here he is. That guitar. Now, it's such a loss that he's gone. It is such a loss. He had a voice which was that powerful, in my opinion, that it could stop anyone in their tracks. He had one of the greatest voices in rock and roll. And just, he has a presence as well. He's just there. He's in the song. He's listening to it. And I bet you the other members of the band, when they heard him singing, they were like, man, we've got something special here. We have something really, really special here. Anyway, I'm going to press play.
Like a baby, lost like a prayer.
Is that means? Voice is echoing. Wow, beautiful. Feeling it. Tell it's in the music. Exactly.
These words down for you with a pages of phrases on all the things we never do. So I blow up the candle and I put you to bed. Since you can't see
oh my days. That guy knows. That guy knows. see him smiling on there. No, thank you, Chris. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Now that is my type of music. Oh, I could sit there and re-listen to that song again and again and again and again and again. He's such a loss. His passing is such a loss. I had an opportunity to see him about 5 years ago, and I was like, oh no, I'm going to save on a bit of money, blah blah blah. I should have just gone screw money. If I'd known what was going to happen, if I'd known he was going to commit suicide, I should have gone and see him. Because he is one of those music heroes for me. Like Dave Grohl is, like Chester Bennington was. I go back to his music, I go back to Soundgarden, I go back to Audioslave, I go back to his solo stuff, and also Temple of the Dogs, again and again and again. His music will live on forever. What did you guys think of this video? Did you enjoy it? Would you like to see me do a Chris Cornell series where I cover probably all of his songs? Because I would gladly do that, guys, even though it will take me forever. It's up to you guys. You write it down in the comments down below. Before the light goes from this video, because I can see it's getting a bit darker, I'm going to say the last final things, like, if you like this video, write it down in the comments. Also, press the like button. Just realised I got that mixed up. If you want to subscribe to my channel and haven't subscribed already, please press the subscribe button and also press the bell, because there's going to be a lot more videos to come. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed reacting to this. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for watching. One last thing to say is you guys have been awesome. My name is Dan, and I will see you tomorrow, guys. Have a great evening or great day wherever you are in the world. Much love and peace.